What is going on, guys? We just made it down here, met up with Nick. He's been cranking on the 18 GT. We're gonna start it for the first time here today. Single turbo setup. If you are new here, my name is Andrew. This is Mustang Lifestyle. Nick over here at Sellers Racing Performance has been cranking on this 18 GT here, and we're gonna start it up. All right, so Nick here is putting on the final touches. If you look down here, that's where the turbo's going. The bumper has a nice hole or window now. That is gonna be nasty, dude. Downpipe right there. And looks like Nick's just putting on some finishing touches. It's gonna be sick. I'm so excited to listen to this thing start up. They've been cranking on this thing for a while. It is a completely custom turbo kit. I mean, the welds are beautiful. We'll lift it up here in a few minutes and take a look at the manifolds. Nick and Ricky have been doing a killer job here on this thing. So turbo mounts here. This is the downpipe that comes around here. The turbo is supported by this Heim joint right here, mounted to right there.
All pie cuts, basically. You can get a good shot right here.
Dude, this thing is gonna be so loud. That's insane. This turbo's massive, dude. Now that's the money shot. That turbo is insane. You got a V-band on the back. And then you got your oil feed right in there.
Follows inside the frame over the rack there, and then into a scavenger pump, which brings it back up into the plastic oil pan.
For anyone that doesn't know, this is a 10-speed auto. This car is going to be quick for sure. This thing is going to be nasty. I think he has a few more things to do before he gets it tuned, but we're going to start it up here. It should start up pretty much without any issue. All right, so we just put the bumper on. I mean, it's just a stock 2018 Mustang, right? It's got like an aluminum radiator behind here, you know, super stock, you know, super stock. All right, dude, I'm ready to hear this thing. It's gonna be sick.
You're gonna have to move this.
Turbo mounted. I'm ready. I think we're good. Let's see. Put the hood down. Dude, first startup, backs up, that's sick. This is a premium too, it's got the full dash, 10-speed auto. It's running pretty good, idling very good, not even tuned. Hey. Alright, well, pretty much ready for Michael to pick it up, right?
Yeah,
gonna clean it up.
I'm gonna get the scanner and just, you know, make sure everything's going good with it. So
he's gonna clean it up. He's gonna put the ugly intake cover back on.
yeah, yep,
Yeah.
hide everything.
Yeah. All right, well, it's goodbye for now. We'll check back in with this one. Michael's picking it up later. Nick's gonna button it up, clean up the car. Because obviously it's dusty, it's a fabrication shop, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's sick. I mean, that's one way to make the 2018 GT bumper look better. Just add a big old turbo right in there. And that good old rear end looks so good. I want one of these so bad. Goodbye, Turdzilla. You will soon have your rear end back inside you. Don't worry. Just chilling for now. All right, guys, real quick before we end the video, merchandise update. We're coming out with some awesome new things. I hope you guys are really excited. I'm excited. We got some awesome new stuff. I cannot wait to show you guys. The first run of these things are going to be limited, and as soon as they come in, I'm going to post them up on the website. I'm going to show them in the videos. I'm so excited to get these things out. We still have plenty of America Mustang Lifestyle decals. We also have a few black and silver decals, and we also have they were kind of like a, you know, a test run of some yellow and pink ones. If anybody's interested in those, they'll all be down in the description. Click the link, or actually click the little card thing right up there in the corner. Go check it out. It supports us, and I mean, you guys get to represent Mustang Lifestyle, which is so awesome. T-shirt update. We still got a lot of XLs and XXLs. I am back ordered on medium and large, and small, of course. So those are going to be coming in, and then we're coming out with a new shirt. We're going to be trying to do new shirts at least every month. New designs involving the cars or whatever is going on. I'm so excited to get this part, the merchandise stuff, going again. I'm out of school. I have the time for it. I'm so excited to get this stuff going. The new thing that's coming in very soon looks awesome. I cannot wait. So make sure you leave a comment down below. Click the card thing, my bobber, right up there. And yeah, and I'm also really excited for this 2018 GT. It is going to be absolutely sick. I cannot wait until Michael gets this thing tuned. All right, so I gotta leave right now. I gotta go head to the airport. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. We have a lot of great content. We have a few Mustangs, got a 99 GT, 03 Cobra, a Whippled 16 GT. We got the old big blue truck. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. I want to go with Michael to go get this thing tuned. It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait to see this thing rip down the quarter mile. It should be more than capable. It's got a massive turbo, 2018 GT, 10-speed auto. It's going to be sick. So guys, make sure you slap that like button, leave a comment, and let us know what you think. And we'll see you guys next time.